Hi everyone. Today I've brought a new dessert recipe that is made up of custard and vermicelli. This is one of the easiest recipe and it is most delicious. So do try this. So come, let's start the recipe. First, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you You will really love this dessert. So do try. You can see the top layer we have vermicelli and even at the bottom. It's really a crunchy and very nice sweet. Thank you for watching. I'll be getting more such delicious dessert. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.